Hi, this is Michaeluso, and I think it's time to do a drawing. I'm going to draw Barf and Built. First, you draw a circle right there, and then kind of like the Deadly Manor. And then draw the thief. So it looks like that. Part of the nose thing. And of course, you would draw the eyes. That's one of them. And they usually have this color. And I'm going to go down here. Well, back up. So it's going to look like that. We just makes a little thicker and bigger. No. No. See, it makes a claws. Of course, you could draw them with cute eyes. Who does not like cute things? Other than me. Wait. So now I just need to make little bumps. Let's see, what am I missing? Spots. So that's Barf. That's Belch. Belch is Tough Nuts Dragon, I believe. And Rough Nut has Barf because Barf spits out gas. So thanks for watching, guys, and I will see you all later.